everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial on how I make my lips look bigger, plumper, and almost like I have lip fillers or something on. So without further ado, let's get started. A dark brown lip liner is ideal. So the one that I use is this one. It won't even focus, but it's basically the ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this is in the shade Pitch. It's a very dark lip liner. What I start off by doing is I have a very defined Cupid's bow. So the first thing that I do is I illuminate it, and already it makes my lips look a little bit more folded back. It looks like it's sort of lifted like this. And I like that look, so I basically start by overlining my Cupid's bow. Already my lips are looking bigger. The next thing that I do is I overline my bottom lip right here. And you see how that's already making your lips look plumper. So that's basically what the goal is. Now, we're not going to overline the rest of the lip at all because it becomes very obvious and it starts looking fake. We don't want that. So what we're instead going to do is we're going to actually stay within the line, and I'm going to connect it to the corner of my lip here. So you see how I stayed within my lip line? I'm not exceeding it or anything like that. That's what you want. Same thing at the bottom. Done. And I'm gonna repeat the same steps on this side. Just like that. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort of color in the corners here. Just a little bit. So the next step is to take your nude lipstick. So you want to take any nude lipstick that you have. So I'm just taking this one right here, and I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lip like that. Take your ring finger and you're gonna dab it. Okay, so you're gonna start to dab your lip like this and start to smudge it. And you're not gonna go over the line. Start to blend your lipstick outwards so that it looks more like an ombre. And right now what I want you to do is smile and see if everything is just on perfectly. If there's any like crooks or whatever, then you want to go ahead and fix that with the liner. But basically this is great. Go back with the same lipstick. And this time I'm gonna close my lips like this, like a kissy face, and dab. Guys, just take a look at my lips and tell me that they're already not looking plumper. I'm not even doing anything, I promise. You can leave it like this. It looks amazing. I'm gonna actually dab on just a little bit of a lighter lipstick. You can also use like a concealer if you want. Just dab a little bit of concealer in the middle of your lip. The middle stand out a little bit more. This step is absolutely not necessary. Like you can stop right here if you'd like, or if you already use like a very light beige already, then this step is not necessary at all. But I'm gonna just show you how we can elevate this look. Okay, so I applied a little bit of beige liquid lipstick in the middle of my lips. If you want to get a little bit more of a natural finish, you can use a lighter brown. You can still get the plumped effect. Play around with it with your lip shape. All right, so this is basically it. This is plump. Guys, if you did like this video, please leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I love you so much.